Do you think Izzy wants another one?
Yeah.
I think you have to hand one to her. She's too little to put her hand in the bag. Can you give her one? Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Do you think she likes it? Cam, can you say hi, BB?
Hi, baby.
Say we miss you, BB. Can you say bye?
Bye, baby.
Yeah, you gave one to Izzy. That was good. Bye.
Bye.
Izzy, can you say